know what is up. I know what I wanna do. I know what is up. Oh yes, I wanna come with you. Yes, I know what's up. Oh yes, I know what I do. Yes, I'm over here. Oh yes, I wanna keep it true. I know what is up. Yes, I know what I will do. If you coming by, yes, you will go see it too. I know what is up. I know what I'm gonna do. I know what is up. I know what I like to do. Hey, do you know what's up and do you know what's down? Do you even want to see me? Do you want to hit that ground? Want to hit it on that floor? Do you want to go to bed? Let me talking about these other one they rubbing here. Do you even want to see that? Do you want to see it though? Let me talking about your other one they coming at your door. Now you coming just a running, say you running for some fun. Now I say I see you coming and I say I'm getting some. I know what's up. You know what's up. I know the people say you know we cutting up. I know what's up. I know what's up. I'm over here today. Oh yes, we cutting up. Yeah, now I know what is up and I know up in my rhyme. I'm normal over here and I want to spit my rhyme. My rhyme is over here, the other people feeling fine. But still I'm over here, I know you want to wine and dine. You say you want to diss but you don't want to buy. So you look at me and you look me in my eye. Then you say that, hey my dear, that can you get dead? I'm gonna tell you no that and you write your own check. I know what I wanted and I know what from you. I wanna do the things and I want to keep it true. But if I want to do it, then I'm gonna do it now. But still I'm talking about the mother people's getting it down. I know what I wanted and I know what you want. Some people doing this and some people want to flown. Some other flaunting money and they don't have none. But still I know what I want. But still I'm getting some. I know what I want. 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 I know I wanna go into the bowling alley too. I wanna throw some stripes and I see your face too. I wanna take you to the bar so you get your drink on. But then I see your body, now your body in a zone. I wanna see that if you happy or the way you say it. But still the other people want to see you in the bed. I want to know some more that do you got that brain power. But still I'm over here the one they want a tower. They tower with a this or do you like to fuss or fight? I know what I want but and you know I'm feeling nice. I'm nice as over here and I'm nicer in my brain. But still I'm over here, you know what I do today. I know what is up and I know what's going in. I know I'm over here and I know you want a friend. You want a friend that spend all that money on you while you to go over there and go and mess it too. You said that your girl we doing this and doing that. But still I'm over here to why they overdoing that. Them dudes is over there, they also doing this and that. Some other people say, oh yes, I know what on that. I know what is up and I know what's going on. Oh yes, I am that J, but and I put it in a zone. I know what is up and when I say up on this song. I know what is up and when you say you don't belong. I know what is up and I know that I'm the J. Some other people looking at me saying what you say. I know what is up and what is up though. I'm gonna say I pass and I say the peace though.